Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate your MERRILL Edge banking account detailed guide step by step clearly. To activate your MERRILL Edge banking account, begin by visiting the official MERRILL Edge website. On the homepage, locate the sign in button usually found at the top right corner of the screen. Click on the sign in button to proceed to the login page. Look for an option that says activate your account or enroll. Select that option to start the activation process. You will be prompted to enter your personal information, including your social security number and date of birth. Fill in the required fields carefully to ensure accuracy. Next, provide your MERRILL Edge account number. This number can typically be found in the documentation you received during account setup. After entering the account number, proceed to create your online username and password. Make sure your password meets the security requirements outlined on the page. Once your username and password are set, you may be asked to verify your identity through a security question. Choose a security question and provide an answer that is easy for you to remember but hard for others to guess. After completing these steps, review all the information you've entered to ensure it's correct. If everything looks good, click the Submit or Activate button to complete the activation process. You should receive a confirmation message stating that your account has been successfully activated. Now, you can log in using your new credentials and access your MERRILL Edge banking features. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.